La lluvia fue la auténtica protagonista de la segunda jornada de la Copa Bancaja Nuevos Ciudadanos. Tan solo 4 encuentros lograron celebrarse. Chile venció 3-1 a Senegal gracias a sus jugadas a balón parado. Pakistán aprovechó su mayor juventud y goleó 5-2 a Túnez.
Mama, don't you cry no tears tonight. Had to tell your son he's doing right. Yes, he had to leave this on the run, and now he knows what he's running from.
Uruguay logró una importante victoria frente a Ecuador por 3-2. Bolivia se impuso a Honduras por la mínima, 2-1.
Hard and steep, but you know your son got what it takes. He said nobody should be chained up, and now there's people on his back. They're gonna do all they can to stop him become a man. They're gonna break his